The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Oldham County, northern Smith County, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Adrian, or 23 miles southeast of Naravisa, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Adrian. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Vega, Adrian, and Sims. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Smith and Oldham.